for apple. B for ball. C for carpet. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grape. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jungle. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nut. O for orange. P for pineapple. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for window. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.